You guys ready? Changing landscapes. Listening. High water. Listen and match the causes with the effects.
Track 6. We often see the places around us as permanent and unchanging. We believe the places where we live will stay the same for future generations. However, climate change is changing the rules. In the past 150 years, global sea levels have risen 20 millimeters. This doesn't seem like much, but this is only an average. Some regions have seen sea levels rise almost a meter. This poses a serious threat to coastal areas, especially islands. Here's what happens. Sea levels rise slightly. It may not be a problem at first, but if there is a hurricane, salt water washes over large areas of land, killing all the plants and trees. Then, with later storms, there are no plants or trees to hold the soil together, and erosion washes the land away. Hundreds of thousands of people live in areas that are only 1 to 2 meters above sea level. If sea levels continue to rise, entire island nations and cities may disappear completely in only a few years. Where will these people go? If sea levels rise by a meter over the next century, the shapes of whole continents may change. Cities like New Orleans and Miami in the United States may become uninhabitable. Even parts of New York City would be affected. Around the world, parts of major cities, such as Shanghai, China, Mumbai, India, and Bangkok, Thailand, may be underwater.
Vocabulary. Extreme weather. Listen and label the words.
Track 7.
1. Storm. S T O R M. Storm. 2. Tornado. T O R N A D O. Tornado. 3. Hurricane. H U R I C A N E. Hurricane. 4. Flood. F L O D. Flood. 5. Heat wave. H E A T W A V E. Heat wave. 6. Drought. D R O U G H T. Drought.
Grammar. First conditional with may, might, and should. Use may and might to talk about possibility. You might need an umbrella if it starts to rain. If she has free time, she might go to the movies. If you want to create a blog, you may need to learn about website design. People may suffer from dehydration if there's a drought. You should to give advice. If you don't go to class for a few days, you should get class notes. You shouldn't drive fast if it's raining. May and might can be interchangeable. Exercise A. Complete the sentences with the form of the verbs and may, might, or should. Number 1. If you have a test tomorrow, you should go to bed early. 2. I may go to the movies if I finish my homework. 3. If he works harder, he should pass the test. 4. You shouldn't exercise if you have a fever. 5. If she learns how to drive, her dad may buy her a car. 6. Cities might disappear if sea levels rise. Exercise 4. Speaking. Good advice. Look at the pictures and write a possible effect. Take turns sharing your ideas. The first one says cutting down trees. A possible effect could be there may be less rain. The second one is wasting water. A possible effect could be there may be less water in the world. The third one is littering. A possible effect is there could be more pollution in the world.